Hope all of you are ready with your sheets. You can take a graph sheet also. If you have graph sheet, that will be easy for you. Graph paper is there, that will be easy for you. If you have a graph paper.
Ma'am, I have this sheet.
Or you can do one thing. Just wait a second, I'm just telling you what you do. Where you can get the graph paper.
Like this way?
Just stop it and see, instead of asking like this way, just look at mine. See, suppose this is your sheet of two paper. This is the sheet of your paper. I can take it out. Just wait a second. Horizontally, make a column, make like this, long column. And draw. First of all, draw. Do not cut it. Draw 18 boxes like this. You have to make a box like this, long box, and cut 18 pieces.
Ma'am, how much big box?
Beta, again I'm saying, again and again I'm saying as much as you want, but it should be of 18 boxes. You have to make 18 equal boxes on a paper, on a sheet of paper, small, not a big one. Not a big one, small, like this. See, like a strip, like a strip, like a strip.
Ma'am, like this paper. Ma'am, I have drawn line. Is it perfect?
Haan, beta.
Ma'am, I have drawn line.
Like
Ma'am,
this,
like this
you have
paper.
to draw 18 boxes.
Okay.
Like first one, I'm showing you the purple one. A long strip with having 18 boxes in it. Do it quickly. Just show me on the video. Open your cameras. Yes, Pratishtha, you can do it. Pratishtha, if you can find out one graph paper better, then graph paper will be very easy for you. If you have a maths notebook page now, you can take out maths notebook page. वो maths notebook page like this it comes na. वो maths notebook. If you have this page, this type of page, if you will use this type of page, it will be easier for you. If you have maths paper, instead of colored sheet, you can use this one also. Instead of maths paper, you can use, or you can use a graph paper. Then you need not to make these boxes yourself.
And we have to make this in center.
Dhani, show me. No, Dhani, it is wrong, beta. It is wrong.
And we have to make. Then we have to make this.
Beta, 18 strips you have to make like this. Like this you have to make. You can take a maths notebook page also. See, again I'm
at center.
Yeah.
Then center.
Huh? Okay, let me also do it. Let me also do it and show it to you. Just wait a minute.
Then at center.
We have to make small.
Then we have to make this box at center.
Anywhere, beta, but you have to make it and cut it out. You have to cut it out also.
Come on.
No, Dhani, it is wrong. Yes, Om is showing me something. Om, beta, you don't have a scale. You will never use the scale, okay? This is wrong, Om. I told you one complete strip of 18 boxes. One long strip of 18 boxes. Let me show you how. Let me also draw it and then I'll show you. So I'm going to pause. Why is it going to hang? Are you able to hear me, everyone? Why is it hanging?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this is my long scale. Okay. And I'm putting this on the scale here. I'm going to make 18 centimeter over here. Just let me, I will show you afterwards.
Ma'am, I have
Make it of
drawn.
18 centimeter. A long strip of 18 centimeter. Let me show you. First, let me draw it, then I'll show you. Abhi, wait a
Ma'am, I
minute,
have
beta.
drawn.
Just wait a minute, beta. Let me show others also. They are getting confused.
Okay, ma'am. Like this mess page.
In maths page, if you are taking, then no need to you make boxes. It will be already drawn.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we mark 18 blocks.
Yes, you mark 18 blocks
Ma'am.
and color them with one. Make them with one color. Draw them with one color. Color them with one particular color.
Ma'am.
Just wait a minute, beta. Let me draw it and
Okay,
show
ma'am.
it. Show it to them.
1 minute, ma'am. Take the boxes.
See, now I'm going to show you. Hope you can see this.
Ma'am,
Like this, I've made 18 boxes.
ma'am, mine also a little bit same.
18 boxes
Ma'am,
I've
please see
made this.
mine.
And I'm going to color them with a pencil color. I'm going to color them with a pencil color.
Ma'am,
Huh, beta?
ma'am, these are 18. Ma'am, please see.
Okay, let me see. Just wait a second, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, please see mine.
Bring it a little closer, Pratyusha. Pratyusha, yes, they are correct, beta, but make them square boxes, okay? Just make one line in the end. Okay,
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in here.
Yes, beta, here.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
here.
Yes. Om, now
Okay,
show me
ma'am.
now. Om, show me. And Pratyusha, cut it now. Om, show me. Yes,
Okay.
good. Om, very good. They are 18, Om? Are they 18?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now stick them on one white paper. Now stick them, after cutting it, stick them on white paper.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done? Okay, good. Now Pratyusha, cut it. First of all, I'm going to color it because my sheet is not colored. If your sheet is not colored, you can use any color. Suppose I'm taking green color. Okay. Show me, Mehul. What is it? Show me. Show me what you have done. Wait. Yes,
Ma'am,
correct.
I have.
But Om draw. Mehul draw it. Mehul draw it with a scale properly. Okay. Draw it with a scale. Okay. I'm taking one green color.
Ma'am.
I'm going to color these boxes with the green color because my sheet is not colored. So I'm going to color it with green color. Or you can take sketch color also if you want. Make sure. Now I colored it with a green color, as you can see. A light one. It should be dark. I should dark it. Now, like this, I have done. Now cut it. Now cut it. Now cut it with a scissor.
Like this way.
Wait, Dhwani. Wait, Dhwani. Let me see. Just wait a minute.
Ma'am, this way.
Show Dhwani. Yes, like this. 18. Are they 18? Are they 18? They should
Yes,
be
ma'am.
18. They must be 18.
Ma'am, like this way.
Now I'm going to cut it. See how I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut its corners and take it out this strip. If you are going to do it and doing it on graph paper, then also you can do it. I'm going to cut it.
Ma'am, this is correct.
Okay, I'm going to cut this strip.
Ma'am, this one is correct.
Who is saying? Tell me your name. Anjali. Show me.
Ma'am, now
Yes, it
where-
is correct, Anjali. But Anjali, draw it with a.
Yes, ma'am.
Om, please switch off your mic and don't speak in between. Beta, this should be it drawn with a scale properly.
Okay, ma'am. I like this.
Who is showing? Yes, Pratyusha, very good. Very well done. Pratyusha, I'm going to add your spotlight. You just show it to everyone.
Ma'am, how? Are you sure?
Give it a minute.
Ma'am, like this way. Ma'am, like this way. Ma'am, like this way.
Where? Who is saying? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, girl.
Good. Abhi 8 seconds, beta. Pratyusha, show yours to everyone. They are looking at you. See, Pratyusha, show.
Yes, ma'am.
And after cutting, what we have to do?
See, Abhi, I will tell you. See, Pratyusha's. Like this you have to do. Now, Garv, show yours. Yes, correct, Garv. Good. Very good. If you are
And
using
now we
graph
what
paper,
to
you can
do?
use a graph paper also. Okay, I
Ma'am,
have also
what
cut
to
it.
do?
I have also cut it.
And now what we have to do?
Abhi, wait, beta. Just wait for some time. Let others also do it. This, like this strip, you have to make and stick it on a plain paper. And stick it on a plain paper. Plain drawing sheet or drawing paper is there. Or simple paper, colored paper also you can stick. Stick it on that paper. Stick
Ma'am,
it.
can I stick it on my blue sheet?
Yes, obviously, anywhere. Yes, you can stick. But make sure the color is not same. Stick it there.
No, ma'am, the color.
Okay, stick it there. Okay, write like this here. On the, suppose this is the sheet of paper. So I'm going to rub this. I'm going to rub this. See, you have made this strip and you have to stick this strip. Stick this strip like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it will be 1 and here it will be 18. Here it will be 1 and here it will be 18. Write 1 here and 18 here. There are 18 boxes. This is the strip you stick. Write 1 here and 18 here. And write 18 is equals to 18.
Ma'am, like this paper.
Do like this. Write, put question 1. And at the heading write factors.
Ma'am, I don't get space in the corner.
Beta, you can do one thing. You can just put it horizontally. Horizontally. You can stick it. Write factors activity. 81 is 18 into 1. Like this. Now, second thing you have to make like this.
Now it also not.
You will make second second strip of second color like this. How can you make it 18? 2 strips like this and 9 strips like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ma'am, how can I stick?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Like this.
Ma'am, now it's also not coming. And here.
Do
Ma'am,
it.
I still just cut this strip. And ma'am, can I write in the above of it?
Beta, you can stick it horizontal way. If it is not coming, you can stick it horizontally on a sheet of paper. Use this way. Now cut. Now cut another one, 2 like this and 9 like this. Cut another color with another color.
And there is no space. So can I write in
Pratyusha,
the
beta, use horizontally, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, I'm using horizontally.
This is not horizontally. Acha, you are using it horizontally.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, still what you can do, you can just leave some margin over there. Suppose it is not coming. Let me show you. For example, it is not coming here. So I'm just putting this a little bit outside the outside out. I can keep it.
Okay,
You can
ma'am.
keep it outside.
Not like this.
But make sure you have a space to write 1 and 18 here. 1 and 18 should
Yes,
be written
ma'am.
over here. Make sure that you have a space to write it down because this written is more important.
Ma'am, I have to just stick this strip on a A4 size plain. Mama, stick
Yes, do it.
strip on
Pratishtha,
white
instead
paper.
of talking, do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now do this one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how many box will make in ma'am second one?
Beta 9. It's written 9 over here. 9 boxes like this and 2 boxes like this.
Thank you.
Beta 3. Mehul 3. This is 9 and 2. You will make another box of 9 and 2. And the third box will be of how much? Can you tell me? Can somebody tell me? We have to make 18. This is 9 2s are 18 we are making. Another, how can we make 18? Can somebody tell me? How can we make 18?
We have to take sheet, colorful sheet.
By another color. One we made by 18 into 1. Another we made 9 into 2. Third one, how we will do? God, don't need to show me and do this quickly. We don't have time. Can anybody tell me which will be the third is for third one? Nobody can tell me. How can you make 18 boxes? First, we can make 18 and one box. One box and we have to go in there. 9. 2 this side and 9. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we count, there are 18. Another way to make 18 boxes. Can somebody tell me? Anjali, Mehul, can you tell me? Beta? Can you tell me? Beta, make third one as 3 6 are 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. Vedant, please switch off your mic. Vedant, please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, after cutting where we have to paste?
Yes, second one, first one you make and paste it. Second one you make and paste it. And third one you make and paste it.
Ma'am, in white paper.
Beta colored sheet. Or if you are using white paper, then you have to color it. You can stick it in white paper. Stick it on white paper. You have to make 18 boxes. 18 small boxes. How can you make 18 small boxes? By using 18 into 1, by using 9, 2 into 9, and by using 3 into 6.
Mama, I'm not having glue.
My how to do second one.
How to do second one? Beta 2 like this and 9 like this.
Ma'am.
Beta see everyone, in first one we have 1 like this and 18 like horizontally. In second one we have 2 like this and 9 like this. And third one we have 3 like this and 6 like this. Okay. So either you stick it 3 or 6 or 6 or 3, it will be same. Wait a minute, let me show you. Make these 3 types of boxes and stick this on a plain sheet of paper. These 3 different boxes, you make it, cut it out and stick them on the different paper. These 3 should be of different color. So in the next turn, we'll continue with the activity in our next period. By the time we just complete it, and whenever our next class is, we'll complete it then. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. Bye everyone.